Hello everybody. Today we're going to be replacing this instrument cluster on our 2003 Chevy Suburban. The cluster's lights had gone out, and so the easiest way to replace it is by using a company called Circuit Board Medics. That's my assistant Nick. We called them and gave them the mileage of the vehicle and the VIN number, and they send us a new instrument cluster programmed with everything up to speed and accurate for us to use. So we're going to simply put this new one in and return the old one. So when Circuit Medics sends you their new instrument cluster, it does not come with the glass case. So what I'm doing here is replacing the glass case off of the old instrument cluster and putting it on the new one. So now that we have that installed, we have to make sure the steering wheel is all the way down and the gear shift is in low. Otherwise, you cannot put this cluster back in. So right now I'm hooking the cluster back into the electronics of the vehicle via the plug-in port. So you set it back into place. There's 2 set pins on the bottom, and once it's set in place, I break out the bolts. There's 4 bolts. They're 7mm. I put them in on each corner. Once those are in, I took the 7mm socket head and screwed them in basically to finger tight. The one thing that's important to know is with the 7mm bolts, they're easy on the initial thread in to get lost behind the cluster, so you got to be very careful as to not lose them. So now that I have them in, I put the truck back in park, and I have Nick go ahead and tighten these bolts up. And I'm taking the old cluster and putting that cover that Circuit Medics provided on my old cluster to properly ship it back via FedEx back to them as part of the deal. Nick is now tightening up the bolts with the 7mm socket. So now that the hard part is out of the way, I took the time to actually clean the cluster really well, the glass covering. Not only from the fingerprints and dirt that got on it from the switchover, but also when we reinstalled the dash trim, there's a lot of it that's inaccessible. And so this is a good time to get rid of years of grime and dirt before we put it back on. This piece I'm putting on is the dashboard trim piece. It has about 12 clips. You just got to be very careful as it's very brittle, especially in these older trucks. So the clips can break quite easily. So not only when we removed it, but also when we replaced it, making sure that we took our time and applied even pressure throughout. So as the thing sits on there snug and flush. If some of the clips break, a tendency for the dashboard to rattle excessively will happen. And with that being said, we now have a new instrument cluster in our 03 Suburban. All dash lights and gauges work properly. Thanks for watching.